Many congratulations. May I request the team of Queen to stay back on stage. We are talking about international cuisine and restaurants. Let's talk about another new trend in Indian dining.
And that is?
Fine dining. May we have the nominees for the Best Indian Fine Dining Restaurant, please?
For Best Indian Fine Dine, the nominees are Masala Library, Mumbai; Kainush, Delhi; Rizala Umaid Bhavan, Jodhpur;
Rizala Umaid Bhavan, Kainush.
And thank you, Kangana. Thank you, Vikas. And Queen.
There is a special jury award in this category as well, and to do the honors, may I call upon stage Jackie Bhagnani, who has Yangistan releasing very shortly, to give away the award.
I'm playing a Prime Minister in a film called Yangistan, releasing on 28th March. And yeah, I'm trying to do everything what, first of all, not playing blame games, because I think we're done with that. As politicians, stop blaming others and taking up charge for what you want to do. So that's what Yangistan is all about. Thank you.
I think well spoken, well spoken. Now, this award is very special because it was so difficult to decide between these wonderful categories. So this is a very special award to a very special restaurant.
The award goes to Masala Library.
Well, Kunal, tell me, if you were to talk about food, how much can you talk?
Well, I could go on and on and on and on. And if I told you to write about your foodie experience in 140 characters, remember, not words, but characters. Can you do it?
Are you hinting at Twitter and the food tweets?
Yes, I am. It was Twitter and not SMS that I was talking about, an extremely challenging but far-reaching communication tool with which everyone can reach everyone.
We are about to award the best foodie tweet. And to do the honors, we will like to have on stage Bachi Karkaria and also re-invite Satish Kaushik, director of Gangs of Ghosts, and also producer Mr. Ratan Jain.
For the best tweet,
Aarti Basroor.
It says Kunal Vijay show, The Foodie, is equal to Muh Mein Tsunami and not Pani.
Thank you, Satishji, Bachi, and Ratanji.
And it is now time to acknowledge the contribution of the legends to the Indian food industry. Our next award is Foodie Legend. And could we have with us on stage Mr. Randhir Kapoor?
Would you like to say a few things?
Yeah, I'm a great admirer of the Times Foodie show. You can see by my size, we are all foodies. All the Kapoors are mostly foodies. Excepting for Ranbir, who doesn't eat. He'll start eating soon. But I'm really happy and I'm honored that Kunal and the Times Group has invited me to come and witness the legends of the food which we all like and I love.
Thank you, sir. Can we have the AV, please?
Steaming cups of Irani chai with piping hot buns, generously slathered with the goodness of butter. This is no ordinary bakery, but a piece of Mumbai's extraordinary legacy. Tucked away in the bustling by-lanes of Fort, Yazdani Bakery and Restaurant was established by Mehrwan Zend Kabir in 1950. offering crusty Bruun paos and fresh Ladi paos at the cheapest possible rates, a legacy that's been preserved by his sons Zend, Rashid and Parvez.
Once a German, he had his bread and everything, and a bill came to 22 rupees. Then he said, "Are you running a charitable institute?" So I told him, "Forget not, it's a poor man's bakery." Because in 1959, I still remember my father advising me. He said, "This bread is poor man's bread. Don't disturb their stomach."
The award for the legendary is Yazdani Bakery and Restaurant.
Thank you very much, the Foodie Times Now, for this award. Yes, this is the third generation that's running this bakery, and I assure Bombay, India, that we're going to run it for another few more generations.
Yeah.
They call it the Legend Award. Thank you very much. Of course, it's not Zorro, the legendary Zorro, but we all are with the name Zed in our family. Right from Zen, Zyros, Zarthan, Zorben. And we wish to give Bombay a place to come and have a nice cup of tea, a nice Bruun Maska, a nice Khari biscuit, and enjoy time in Bombay City. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you so much. In food, there is never last and not the least. There's always room for one more round. India has always offered to the world a fragrant mix of spices, and this is what attracted the merchants to trade with India. Tonight, we award one such establishment which has served up an authentic spread and even today keeps up this traditional practice. Let's have a look at the AV.
Delectable dollops of spice-rubbed mince, seared and sizzled over blistering hot coal. Lucknow is known for many things, but when it comes to food, the pride of the city is undeniably the much-celebrated Tunde Kababi.
ये हमारे ग्रैंडफादर ने शुरू शुरुआत की थी 107 साल पहले, और जब शुरुआत की थी तो 1 नए पैसे के 12 कबाब से स्टार्टिंग हुई, और इसको आप खाएंगे तो बिल्कुल मुंह में पिघल जाएंगे.
Named after its one-armed kebab maestro, the legacy of the original eatery continues to flourish in Aminabad and in several outlets across the country.
उनका असली नाम था हाजी मुराद अली, लेकिन तो टुंडे कबाब के नाम से जाने जाते थे, क्योंकि एक हाथ से वो कबाब बनाते थे. पतंग के शौकीन थे, एक हाथ से पतंग भी उड़ाते थे.
Besides being the first stop for regulars and meat lovers the world over, even Bollywood stars have found it hard to resist those lip-smacking melts. 100 years on and insatiable for more, the foodie takes pride in bestowing the Lifetime Achievement Award to the Nawab of Kebabs, Tunde Kababi.
Lifetime Achievement Award. This is the famous Tunde Kebabs of Lucknow, my favorite.
बहुत शुक्रिया टाइम्स नाउ और कुणाल जी हैं हमारे, और कपूर साहब, बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं इनका, या इन लोगों ने मुझे याद किया, और मैं इनके लिए बहुत ही दिल से दुआ करता हूँ और मुबारकबाद देता हूँ. थैंक यू.
Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Dr. Ji.
It's time for us to wind up the show, and that brings us to the end of the awards.
Well, she means the awards are over, and the night is young, and now we can all go and eat
But before we do that, we take this opportunity to thank one and all who have been instrumental in bringing this show to life. There are our title sponsor, Kent Mineral RO hospitality partner, ITC Maratha, and beverage partner, Ballantyne's Golf Retreat.
This brings us to the end of Kent Mineral RO presents Times Now Foodie Awards. Till the next time, it's bye.
Good night.
For all of us, it's a very proud moment. इस वक्त मुझे जो खुशी हो रही है मैं जाहिर नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
Feeling very happy to win this award.
बहुत अच्छा लगा. Foodie is a great award. I mean, it's a great platform for all of us.
It's indeed a pleasure for us to be here this evening, receiving this very prestigious award.
We're really thankful to the jury for nominating and selecting us.
Exceedingly happy, and I'm very proud to receive the honor.
Thank you so much. As I said, last 10 years we've been running this restaurant. Today is the proudest night of that.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत शुक्रिया आप लोगों ने बुलाया.
Fabulous, fabulous. It's obviously a great achievement to win an award on a pan-India basis. And The Foodie is one of my favorite shows. Times Now is one of the most acclaimed and one of the most integral channels. So it's a great honor.